Exam. Does this word impress you? I'm sure not that much, but speaking fluent English does. Yes, you heard right. Speaking fluent English definitely impresses everyone. So guys, here are some idioms and phrases related to the topic that is all about exam. Let's begin. The very first one is hit the books. To study intensively for an exam. पढ़ाई करना, एग्जाम्स के लिए पढ़ना. Example, Jen needs to hit the books if she wants to pass her biology exam. Next we have burn the midnight oil, which simply means to stay up late studying for an exam. हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना रातें काली करना, रात रात तक बैठकर पढ़ना. That is called burn the midnight oil. Example, Andrew had been burning the midnight oil all week in preparation for his exam. Now we have cramming. Cram का मतलब होता है रट्टा मारना. Studying intensely for a short period of time just before an exam. Example, despite not having studied all semester, David spent the night cramming for his history final. Now we have nail biter. An exam or the test that causes a lot of stress and anxiety. ऐसा कोई exam जो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी देता हो, like for me, maths exam was actually a nail biter. Example, the final chemistry exam was a real nail biter for Sarah. Let's have a look on the next one. Brain drain. The feeling of the mental exhaustion after studying for a long time. एक थकन सी महसूस करना माइंड में या ब्रेन पे, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभाव पड़ना लंबे समय तक पढ़ने के चक्कर में. Example, after hours of studying, she experienced a brain drain and decided to take a break. Now we have in the hot seat. Being in a stressful or high pressure situation such as during an exam. Exam के time पे वैसे ही बहुत stress होता है. Example, as the proctor handed him the exam, John felt like he was in a hot seat. Now we have grade grubbing. Seeking extra points or arguing for higher grade after an exam. Like when we were also kids, हम teacher के पास जाते थे and we used to say this, please go for these point marks, 0.5, 1 or 2 marks के लिए किच किच करना. Example, Jerry was known for being a grade grubber, always trying to negotiate a higher grade or score. Now we have blanking out. Forgetting everything due to nervousness or pressure during an exam. Normally आपने सुना होगा blank out हो जाना. Example, Sarah completely blanked out during the math exam and could not remember any of the formulas. Pass with flying colors. अच्छे नंबरों से पास हो जाना. To achieve excellent result or grades in an exam. Example, despite his anxiety, Mark managed to pass the physics exam with flying colors. Now we have under the gun. Being under extreme time pressure to finish an exam. Last के 5 minutes में हम लोग जैसे पेपर लिखते हैं, that we can say under the gun. Example, with only 5 minutes left, Jan felt that she was under the gun to complete her essay. Last but not the least, we have test your mettle. To challenge or evaluate someone's abilities or skills through an exam. ये तो हम सबके साथ normally भी होता है. Exams होते ही इसलिए. Example, the final project tested the students' mettle as they had to apply all their knowledge and skills. So guys, as we know that exams play a vital role in our life, so does our English. So do learn these idioms and phrases and use it in your day-to-day life. Stay tuned for next video.